Hi, my name is Nate with Horner Lighting, and today we're going to talk about our new circular high bay series. This is our H4 model. It comes in various sizes. It's well suited for indoor, industrial, and retail applications, such as warehouses, manufacturing facilities, gymnasiums, and shopping centers. The simple installation for this fixture and optional motion sensor settings helps cut down on labor and energy costs. Our lower output models, which is our 120, 150, and 200 watt fixtures, are available in 120 to 277 volts. We also have a larger 320 and 480 watt model that's available in both 120 to 277 and 480 volts. With our wide range of offerings, the lumen output can range anywhere from 20,000 all the way up to 72,000 lumens. The best feature about this product is the step-level dimming motion sensor that's available. The sensor is mounted in the middle of the lens for a better detection range. This also helps with the balance of the fixture as opposed to hanging off the side. The sensor can be controlled with a wireless remote that can be used to set the detection area, the hold time, and the standby period when dimmed to a set level. This can also be set to a daylight harvesting mode. Also, any of these settings can be disabled at any time. This fixture comes standard with a hook mount, which can be used for cable mounting, or you have the option to pendant mount it using conduit. We can provide matching power cords also. An acrylic or aluminum reflector is also available. This fixture comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thanks.